Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is D'Angela Vaughn. And if you are not new here, then welcome back to the click. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to be trying some brand new products. They are by the brand The Hair Lab, and I am now an ambassador for them. So I'm just really excited to bring this video to you guys and just show y'all how I use the products, how I mix the products, and let you guys know how they worked for me. So what makes the Hair Lab special and different from other hair companies is that they essentially formulate hair products specifically for your hair. So all you have to do is just go on their site and complete a hair quiz, and the questions ask you about all different aspects of your hair, including your scalp, your hair type, what your hair needs, what you think your hair is lacking, all those sorts of things. And then they put all of that information together to create a formula for your hair. And they have over 1,000 different formulas, y'all. So essentially, you're getting a customized hair care regimen sent straight to your door. So I was so excited when my first package came in. It's right back here. And it came with a conditioner, a shampoo, and 3 boost sets. So I'm going to explain to you guys what the boost sets are. So this is what the set looks like. And it comes with the revitalizing shampoo for balanced scalp, and it includes rice water. The second product is the well balanced conditioner for medium hair with coconut oil. And these little packages are the dose sets. So I got 3 different dose sets. The first one is the Curl Define dose set. The second one is the UV Shield dose set. And then the last one is the Moisture Boost dose set. And this has Pro Vitamin B5 in it. So I'm gonna just read what's on the back of the dose set. So it says, number 1, add 1 Moisture Boost dose to the Hair Lab base product. Number 2, add up to 3 unique doses to create your personalized products. And then number 3, recap and shake for 30 seconds to mix your doses into the base. All right. And then on your bottle, you're able to go in and write what your individual formula is. So for me, that would be the MB, the CI, and then the UV. And that way, if I go and I order other products, I can just make sure that I get those doses. So I think it's like a really cool concept. I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm excited to see how it works. All right, so we're gonna open up the Curl Define dose set. Oh, so it comes with 2 little bottles in there. How cute. This is super cute. Add 1 full Curl Define dose to the Hair Lab base product. Add up to 3 unique doses to create your personalized product. Recap and shake for 30 seconds. Okay, so basically I'm going to put 1 of each of these into the shampoo and the conditioner. I feel like I'm like in chemistry class, y'all. And I was a biology major in college, so I had a lot of labs and it's taking me back. All right, so I just took the top off of the shampoo, and now we're gonna take the top off of the dose set. So these smell really good. Both of them smell really good. All right. All right. So there's that one. Next, we're gonna add in the Moisture Boost dose set. little turquoise bottle. And last is the UV Shield Dove Set. Because you know we gotta protect our hair from the sun. It's been like 100 degrees here, so definitely got to do that. And you guys know what I just noticed? On the bottle it says peel here and place on your base. So actually all I have to do is just peel this off and then I can put it on the base bottle. Like, how cute is that? I just love the whole concept. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's the biology major in me, but I just love this. All right, so now I'm just putting the top back on and then we're gonna shake for 30 seconds. All right. This is so cool. All right, so our shampoo is done. And we're gonna do the same thing for our conditioner. The conditioner also smells really, really good. And then the moisture boost. And lastly, the UV shields. And y'all, on the hair quiz, they literally ask about where you live so that they can know like what the temperature is and how humid it is and all that. So it's really, really cool. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'm gonna shampoo and condition. And I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about the products and show you guys my results. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I just washed and conditioned my hair using the revitalizing shampoo as well as the Well Balanced conditioner. And also, y'all, I did go ahead and put my stickers on the bottles with my specific formula. Now that does not mean that that's going to be your formula. You have to go on there and take the quiz to find out what your specific formula will be. But I'm just going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. You can see my curls look super defined. My hair is so soft, you guys. And I purposely did not put any products in my hair. I usually always pre-poo my hair before I wash, but I did not do that this time because, for one, I wanted to give a complete, unbiased, objective review, and I didn't want any of the other products to kind of change my views about these products. And the second reason was because I wanted to see how I would be able to detangle my hair with these products. Because when I pre-poo, that's essentially what I'm doing. I'm detangling my hair before I wash it. But I wanted to see if I didn't do that, would my hair be like super tangled? And I must say, my hair was pretty easy to detangle with these products, especially once I went in with the conditioner. My fingers were gliding through my hair, you guys, which I was pretty surprised about because I usually cannot detangle my hair when I'm washing it in the shower. it just does not work out. But I was able to do that with these products. And my hair is super clean and defined. Like, do you see these curls? I've not added any other products. Like y'all saw, I just took these straight out of my clips. And this is what my hair looks like. I'm really impressed with these products. Alright, so I hope y'all found this review helpful. If you are interested in trying out the Hair Lab products, I will include the link down below in my description box, and it'll take you to the site where you'll be able to take your hair quiz and get your first products along with the little boost sets to add to the products. And if you guys have any other questions or anything you want me to talk about specifically, let me know down below in the comments. I'm always checking my comments to see if there's any questions, and I literally go through and reply to every single comment that I get. So don't be afraid to leave a comment. And I'm getting ready to do a wash and go. So if you want to see how I do my wash and goes, then head over to my all things hair playlist. I have all of my hair videos included there. So give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so that you can join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.